Good morning, people. So today we are going to do a very simple look. We're going to start out with the Makeup Chambers Artist Palette. The first color that we're going to use is that Lynette. I just love this color. It's just super soft. I did not prime my eyes today, so we're going to just hope that my eyeshadow comes out the way that it needs to, you know? This is a super soft transition color, so we're just going to apply that up here on the lid. And we're just gonna blend that out. I love these colors, they blend out perfectly. Okay. I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll be right back. All right, so now we're gonna go in with our, I think this is BT. You guys know I'm not good with names, but anyway, it's the brown color. So we're gonna go in with that brown. And we're just gonna slightly hold our head back and begin to blend. Today I'm thinking about doing like a very soft, subtle look, because I know my ladies out there need something very soft and subtle instead of all this hard stuff we've been doing. You know, nobody has time for that. So as you guys can see, the brown is coming in, and we're just gonna keep on doing a build up on it. Blending is key, like major key, boo. And just take your time, because I know like the brown didn't initially show up. If colors do not initially show up on you, you just keep building them, like just keep dipping in until you get it to where you want it to be. Yeah, my sinuses are acting up today, my eyes are draining, so that's why we're doing something super simple, because if I don't, then it'll be ruined by 9 o'clock. So it's AM, not PM. Sinuses just are horrible. Horrible people. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll be right back. Okay, so because I am brown skin, browns don't really go deep enough for me, so I am going to go in with this palette. I got this off of Amazon. It's called like a You Can Be Twilight and Dust palette. It was probably like 12, not even 12, maybe like $8.99 or something like that. But we're gonna go in with this Nefertiti color right here, which is like a burgundy brown color or whatever, and we're just going to apply that into the crease just to darken it up a little bit but stay within the fall season. So yeah, I'm just gonna put that off in there in that crease, because again, I'm brown skin, so colors don't really show up on me like that. It's been very rare that I've been able to find like a very dark brown that's not almost black that shows up on me. Okay. We're gonna blend this out. Blend, and blend. Alright, so I'm gonna do a cut crease. You guys know I cannot live without a cut crease, but it's gonna be very simple, and I have done my cut crease. I'm sorry, I'm losing my voice. I think I'm getting sick, or either it's my allergies. My nose has been itching all morning. Okay, so normally when I do a cut crease with like a simple color, like a pink or a nude or whatever, I usually try to do 2 to 3 colors, okay? So we'll start out with like let's say like a darker pink, and then we'll go to a lighter pink, and then we'll go into like a white shimmer or something like that. So for this one, we're going to use these 2 colors, because I know I just want to keep it kind of simple for you guys, you know. We're gonna do this like, oh shit, yep, okay, gotta be careful. We're gonna use the Piper and the Donatello. So we're gonna first start out with Piper, because Piper has like a pink pigment to it. So we're gonna start out with, oh, just dropping stuff everywhere. Great. Okay, this is a dropping stuff tutorial. All right, great. So we're gonna start out with the Piper, which is like, again, like this little pink color here. And we're going to just apply that here. Oh my gosh, these colors are so pigmented. You have to be careful, honey child, boo-boo. Let me see if I can turn down my camera because I don't know if you guys can see. I think that, yep, that might be good. Okay, so we're going to just apply that first. Normally I have to do like a build up, but yeah, these just came right on in, didn't they? Okay. Did not come to play. Okay, so we're gonna start out with that color towards like the deeper shadow. Gonna also do it on this eye. I don't know what it is about like going from dark to light that helps it transition like a lot better. I don't know, I just do it that way. You don't have to. You could do it whatever way you want to. I just prefer to do it that way. I'm sorry if y'all can hear my TV in the background. I'm watching The Island. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back in with that You Can Be color, that burgundy color we were using, Nefertiti, whatever. And we're just going to just blend that just to make sure it blends into the pink color. Because you don't want a harsh line. You want it to look like an easy transition. So. Boom. Now we're gonna go in with that lighter shade. Give me a second to clean off my brushes and I will be right back. Okay, so now we're going in with the lighter color, the Donatello. I thought it was Donatello, but it's Donatello, okay. So we're going to just, because sometimes when you do a crease, it will like kind of crease up so you can just rub it out, which is what you guys see me doing. We're just gonna go in with that lighter shade right on top of that pink, which you guys can see. So normally what I'll do is like 3 colors. I'll do like a dark pink, a light pink, and then this white color. But for the sake of this video, to make it super easy on you guys, we're just going to do the white and the pink. And as you guys can see, it's like a smooth transition into the other color. Just blend, you know? Okay, so now I'm gonna go in just very lightly, just like a super light tap in that pink color, which is Piper. And we're just going to tap over, just super lightly over the white. So it look like, you know, they going with each other. Oh, shit. Oh, okay, sorry, I told y'all I was watching TV. Okay, that is it, my loves. So now we're going to do a wing liner. You guys do not have to do a wing liner if you're not a fan of it. It's just my signature. So I'm going to do the wing liner and then we'll be back. Hey guys, so these are the teasers for lashes that I'm going to start to try to sell. I am really in love with this lash. This is my first trial of it. And they are super lightweight, they're not heavy, super easy to put on, and they are just freaking gorgeous. So I'm gonna put the other one on. I'll come back and we'll finish our face look. All right, peeps. So this is the finished look. You guys know that I do my foundation and my highlight routine in other videos. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, then make sure that you go and you watch that. I'm going to go and do my hair really quickly. I love the way that the eyes turned out. If you guys would like to see more, definitely make sure that you like and subscribe. Thank you. I really like the way it turned out. It's amazing balls.